Don't forget, if you like these drawing tutorials and want to do more, check out our teacher store. That's right, a bunch of lessons of how to draw comic books and other animals and all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out in the description. Down below is the link. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another cartoon drawing tutorial. And today we are drawing the Wild Kratts vehicle, the Tortuga. That's right, this amazing vehicle. We got to get our 3Ps out, our paper, pen, or pencil. Hopefully you have an eraser as well, because I do. I got one. And we're going to get started now. Normally, we've been drawing a lot of portrait-style drawings. Today, we need to turn our papers landscape or sideways and get our pencils out. Pencils first, and let's get started. So right smack dab in the middle of your page, let's start with a nice big straight line across, just like that. And all we're going to do is on each side of this line, we are going to go down and draw the shape of the shell of the Tortuga. And it is one curvy line here, one curvy line there. All right, so you got your two curvy lines going down, and they're kind of slanting downward. So as you can see, they go wider and wider across. We're just going to connect these lines with it should be straight across. Okay, once you've got that, we're going to go ahead and draw. Let's do something easy now. Let's go on this side and just draw a giant V. There we go, big V. And then on this side, we're going to draw, what we'll do is we'll do a big line, big straight line, continuing this one, and then we're going to draw a nice J. Nice J going down to that straight line. All we're going to do is we're going to put a nice rainbow line to connect the top of the shell, just like that. All right. This weird V shape, you're like, why did we draw that? We're just going to draw a line going right back down. Okay. We're going to draw a curve, almost a U shape. We can call it a U shape, I guess. And let's see, it goes right about that high. And then we're going to have over here where we have the neck or the head of our Tortuga, we're going to draw another big L. So we're going to do right here, and it's going to be mostly a slanted line going down. Once we get close to the ground, we're going to slant back that way. Do you see the letter L? Should look like a letter L. Okay, once you have your letter L, we also know that we can do another giant U. We want to look at these two U's and make sure they're around the same height. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our head. I keep calling it the head. We're just going to do a curvy line right down the middle, like that. Just a curvy line, just like that. We're going to make the, I guess it's the glass eye or whatever you want to call it. You know, the view station over here on the head. We're going to do a straight line across. All right. We're not going to go too close to this curvy line that we just made. And then we're going to make a J right back in. So you see the J? Good. All right. Wow, it's coming together, right? We're going to make a very small baby V shape right here on the tip, right there. Right about halfway over here, we need to draw a nice big smile line. And then we're going to draw a slanty line from the smile line down to the neck, just like that. Let's do the shell first. All we're going to do is right here from the end of this dome that we made, we're going to do a slanty line. And it's going to be shooting downwards. We're going to do another slanty line shooting downwards this way. All right, so we've got two slanty lines making little pieces of the pie. And then we're going to do, so now we got this big shape right here. We're going to split this up with two lines. We're going to do one slanty line and two slanty line. So it's really hard to see, but this one's slightly slanting this direction. It's like going boop, boop, boop. This one's slanting down this direction. Now all we're going to do is go from this middle line, this middle curve line that we made, and we're going to go right between these two lines. So it would be right about there, right? And we're going to slant down and shoot down to this U shape. And we're going to do the same thing here. Let's look at these two lines, right in the middle, right about there, right? Right about there. Shoot down to the other leg. Now we're going to do the same thing. These two lines. Let's go in the middle, right about there. And we're going to shoot down to this L shape that we made. There we go. Okay, right here where this slanty line is that we made, we're going to do another curved line just like this one here. What do we call two lines that follow the same path but never touch? A parallel line, that's right. All right, right where we have our view window and this curved line, we're going to draw right between it a nice big circle. Once you have that circle, we're going to draw a straight line right through it like a piece of pie. We're going to cut it right down the middle. Boom. All right, let's look at this curvy line. And we're going to do a slanty line, just a little teeny slanty line shooting straight up. And then we're going to curve it right back down to the head. All right. Out of our view window here, we're going to do a curvy line right down the middle, just like that. And then I have a little oval right here. I'm not sure why, but okay, we're going to put it on there. But let's not think about that yet because we've got some legs to make, right? So let's go ahead and make them. These are nice big legs. We're going to go a little bit past the U shape here, and we're going to just do a slanty line like that. And then we're going to make a little bit of a small line coming out, and then another line going straight down. So it's like a really thin L. A very thin L. That's probably the thinnest L I would have ever seen. Okay, let's look at this one here. We're going to do one slightly slanted line going straight down. Again, we're not inside or touching the U. It's right outside where the U is. So make sure it's a little bit past the U. Same thing over here. We're going to go a little past the U, and we're going to do another slightly slanted line going straight down. Okay. We're going to do two more slanted lines. One is right here by the check mark or the L shape. We're going to do another almost straight, almost here, but it's slightly slanted. And right over here by the head, slant right there. Okay. Now these two are going to be shorter than these. These are the longer ones. So let's start off nice and easy. Go all the way. We're going to go from top to bottom again. So all we're going to do on the very top is we're going to do two curvy lines. There's one and there's two. All right, two curvy lines. Easy, right? We're going to start making some diamonds, but we're not going to actually make diamonds. We're going to make V shapes because that's a lot easier, right? It is. So here's what we're going to do. The first one we're going to do is we're going to make a nice big upside down V. And let's start off with the very, very side, this little piece. We're going to do a little slanty line, just like that. Okay. Now we're going to make an upside down V. The V is going to be in the middle. So you got these two lines. Again, remember how we did that? We're going to, why don't you put a little dot where the middle is, where you think the middle is. And we're going to draw a slanted line from where you just drew all the way up to that dot. And then back down. So you made a V, an upside down V, okay? Let's do that on all of these. Let's find the middle, put a little mark. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Look for these, find the mark. All right, so I got my marks. I know where the middles are. So now I'm going to do another V. V, upside down V, just like that. Same thing. V shape. And then on the end here, we're going to do just like this. We're just going to do a slanted line going back up. Okay, so we got V shapes. Upside down V shapes. We're going to do the same thing on the bottom all the way across. We're going to start off again. This time we're going to start at the corner. Let's start at the corner, right? Just make a slanted line. There we go. Nothing hard. And guess what? We already know where the middles are because we made these lines. So we're going to make our V's. Ready? We're going to start from here. Make a slanted line down to the middle. And then right back up. V. Same thing. V shape there. Actually, I'm going to make my V right there. Same thing here, right? Right down to the middle. Whoops. Whoa. Where'd I go? And back up. V shape. And guess what? Right down into the corner. Look at that. It wasn't too hard, right? I'm actually going to give you guys a minute. So, because that was quite a bit. That was quite a bit to do. All right, so let's go. Let's start from this side. It looks like all I'm going to do is a slanted line going upwards. So kind of look at this line here. This line, they kind of are going the same direction. This one, of course, is curved. This is going to be slanted. Okay. We're going to make another V shape from this line all the way to here. Okay, let's just do a V. So we need it to go down. So we're going to slanty line down, and we're going to go towards the leg here. But before we get there, we're going to go right back up. So we shoot towards the leg. Before we get there, we shoot back up. We're going to do a big V here. Now let's do over here. Let's go by the tail. We're going to do a little slanted line on the tail, and then we're going to go straight across this top of the leg. And then we're going to do another V shape, just like that. That's fine. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. We're going to do some erasing. We're going to clean up some of this. The first thing we're going to clean up are these V shapes. We're actually going to get rid of this line. We're going to get rid of these lines inside the V's, okay? So we don't have to see them no more. And you guessed it, these triangles right here, we're going to get rid of the lines inside them, just like that. All right? All right, let's do something easy. Let's go back to something easy. Let's do two curved lines. 1, 2. On each of these U shapes, we're going to do two curvy lines. 1, 2. Ah, that was nice. I like easier stuff. All right. Let's connect the legs. We're going to connect the legs with straight lines. This one needs to be shorter. So I need to go up a little bit like that. Yeah. So this leg over here is shorter than the rest of these legs. Okay. Now we're going to draw kind of the underbelly of the Tortuga. And it goes right here. It starts here by the middle part. And we're going to draw a curved line, and it's going to go down to this leg. So it's going to kind of go like that. Okay. And then once you have that first curved line, real lightly with your pencil, keep going. You can go through this leg, but real light. And then we're going to continue the line right here. So it goes all the way across, but we don't want to keep this. That's why we drew it with a real light pencil, and now we can erase it. Just like that. All right, let's go ahead and draw two long, just stretch them out, these long U shapes right here. We got one long U shape there and another long U shape right there. Just like that. Right here, we're going to draw another, okay, right here by this little thing we drew earlier, a little curved line going like that. We're also going to draw a big Is it a big, yep, a big letter C around this circle. And yes, it does go into that curved line like that. And then once you have that letter C, we're going to just continue a curved line out of it like that. Okay, we can actually start cleaning some stuff up, I think. Let's see. What can we clean up? So we're going to, I see what I was doing there. We can erase this part right here. We can erase this part right here next to the O or the C. We can erase this part right here like that. Okay. We can erase this part right here because this is actually part of the head. Whoops. Do that. We can, wow, I didn't know that. We can erase this part right here. So the whole, this is all the neck. It's all together there, like that. We can actually erase this part right there. Okay. Draw a curved line, two curved lines only on the top part, and one curved line on this part, and 1, 2, 3 next to it. Okay, let's look at these U shapes. Let's put 4 lines. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4. We're gonna do that each one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. All right, let's look at the neck real quick. We're gonna draw one straight line going straight across. We're going to draw another line going straight across. See, one's on the bottom, one's on the top. And then, of course, we're going to have one right down the middle, just like that. Okay, we are just about done, everybody. All we're going to do is draw a door so they can get in and out of their Tortuga. They got to have a door. So all we're going to do is we're going to draw a straight line going across like that, okay? Because, of course, it has to be a very interesting shape, right? So this is an easy way to do it. We're going to draw that first. We're going to draw 2 slanty lines going straight up. Can actually go all the way up to the top. And then we're going to draw straight down 2 slanty lines going straight down. And then we'll put a straight line going across to connect them. And then I'm just going to draw a little rectangle right here. So there's the door. Now they can get in. Let's erase this part right here. Let's erase that. Okay. There is one thing I could do. We can do a slanty line right here, like that. And I'm going to fill it in, actually. And maybe a straight line there. Do we want to do a straight line over here? Yeah, let's do 2 slanty lines coming off there. There we go. But ink these in, color them up. Don't forget, we got a Facebook page. So once you're done inking these in and coloring them up, send them on in. Check out the Facebook page. I want to see your Tortugas. I definitely want to see these things. These things are cool. Don't forget, we also have an Instagram, and we also have, well, we're here on YouTube. So I'll showcase your artwork here on YouTube as well. Check out the links below for merchandise. If you want to check out some other lessons, you can check out my Teachers Pay Teachers store. Keep on drawing. The more you do, the better you get. Bye. What? You want to draw more? Well, we got more videos for you to watch. Check out any of these, and please share this with all your friends. Let's get more people drawing. The more you draw, the better you get. All right, see you at the next video.